Undertaker.
Yeah, so hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Black Couch Diaries.
Rika 11, Anna. Rika 12.
Oh yeah, 12.
11.
There's nothing special about 12, T? Nah.
No, it's just a random number.
Yeah, it's unlike 13. So
hey, Mara 12 in December, ninguds of 12. Yeah, so it is special. Exactly.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm always good. You were saying?
Always good. Oh yeah, good. You put some guys. Wana Mike. So how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Oh my God. Anyways,
but I won't be talking as much.
Guy, watch it. Chita Mike Tiriel Divarne.
Hey,
I feel like
so
no, like
it's church, right?
Research says.
Yeah, so
yeah,
so guys, we're still coming at you live from the Blueprint Studios. So I want to run up 42 Mele Street, Bramfontein. Their number is like 082-936-6317. I hope I got that right. Yeah, so oh yeah, they were random doing the story. I don't know what the number is. Then I realized, no man, I live on a pizza. I'm gonna be hot, so and I'm starting to sweat. So no with the bulla. No down to my down to Diana, not fitty. Doesn't go to Diana skip a child United because you're winning over.
Really, I didn't even know Josh got time.
This I know I am going to go down to cut, and that's what she did.
No, and marriage keep a right. China Maruba, no Jonah. China Maruba, no Jonah. No Jonah gets Chishabu bad.
The condition she to Angavana, Nachon, underage.
She to Angavana underage, but go good.
Chashin.
And the Chashin. No, there's nothing wrong with Sheen. I'm just trying to understand why keeper Chakava to Kanaja Chutu random lingoraro. It doesn't, it looks weird.
I wish I knew Maranete David.
Then I couldn't reach Parker.
Okay, I remember.
Oh, sorry. Next.
Yeah, so guys, Springboks are doing well. Hey, no one want to rugby.
Hey, guys, it was my first time watching rugby. Mara, it was so interesting. Like, I did. I did. So I think I like at 13 to 6. Because maybe not the word board actually. Do you want to go for a show? The word board, I want to go for a school at Zeuri. You know, I didn't know it goes to 3-3 or 6-6. I got 13 in 6. I just feel like it's too many. That's what I'm saying. I was thinking, yes, you don't listen. Listening is a skill. What I'm saying is, diva bora. And then to go from Uno ketchup, I didn't know Rajiti 1-1. And 12. I'm like, okay, we're getting there. Hey, Mara, that was so close, eh?
Hey.
That was so close.
Those guys, they always give us like the women had to check in.
Mara, this time around the training we won I've realized how it's so interesting we won under.
That was me also. Like I took 130.
And then we watched it together.
So I'm like, not one stress, but what
it's a restaurant in it. And it's a Makova wait and it's free shots and whatever. So okay, and the one Venda though Mara. I'm thinking didn't. Yeah. How do you cheat you guys? It any plan when you cafe with Dar es Salaam? Just give us a match. Yeah, Dar es Salaam
can do something.
There's
something which I was starting to hate about the comments. Zawato and the last from which winner. Like there are people when they're out there like Beshinuri. No, like starting when she support a rugby. Like you don't have to understand the sport. It's us supporting South Africa.
And that's it. No, una watu wanafunga ringo ribone support ashtubaji. Nazo watu gym. When you go to gyms, you know, so November.
Yeah.
But then you say, hey, I know about the gym. As if you're going to do you know how much? Do you know how expensive that thing is? So basungoni butsonga na zino ngoto baderwa ngabo. Like people must just stop. Whether we support it or not, rukuibona zino and rukuifuna zino. So what?
And also, unatu banjibanda but rugby. Like that guy around, sorry, do you watch rugby regularly? I don't watch it regularly. I watch soccer, but then one of the World Cup is obviously the rugby.
On a normal day, I wouldn't watch it. Mara, and now we understand. And from there, when it comes again, now we understand. So we all have to start somewhere. So people need to stop.
Do you think we're gonna win the World Cup?
Considering the fact that I did the best,
New Zealand.
I don't even know how good or whatever New Zealand
They're
is.
good. Okay, here's the thing. They have 3 titles. We have 3 titles. So whoever wins get the 4th one. Am I right?
Shamburi, if they are good, we are good too. Because they have 3, we have 3 as well.
They're second best, though.
They are second best
Are we
compared to
the
us.
best?
I think we're the best.
Yeah. Because
You can double check.
Honey.
I think Ireland was number 1. France number...
Marilla
it's
England.
France. No, I don't know.
Hele England was weird. No bona bangwe bona ngamkalanya. Utambana makala.
As bakala.
Bodo hulati?
Ndi fimini. Eba life.
Kari nende divasi feds.
Siyakolisi. Now also no ufinyula
Leo
mtana.
tupenga.
The one who's been called a racist now. Ufo with that white guy a white cunt.
Really?
Yeah, I can't believe he said that.
Can't. We just arrived.
Ah, sorry.
just
Maria, Ufo with that. We call this other guy a white cunt.
Really?
Ufinya.
Nende divasi feds and I. Mapungu ndo winner guys. What the can't na the
Yeah, so
can't.
now I feel like
As long as we win.
I don't know if we're gonna win. But I really want us to win, man. I'm from
That
South
would be
Africa.
nice. Net chena chikipa mara.
The problem is
Atina man ndizunguti chena.
munda ndikunya kuita nti ndanyingorera ngachikipa mupam blue tick camera ndikorwana chikipa toshita ramba chikipa.
That would have been nice. Oh, wewe.
Anandaba.
Nandisina.
Hayi rather wanena watu vote.
Oh, nisongombuza ndena wendo chidianta roko. Never.
Hayi azio skipa. So how china ni juni wood.
Maribe zaitela zimbuze tete wewe.
Ras do wood mara.
Rose diva.
Like yeah, so final is England, France and New Zealand against South Africa. That's what is going to happen. That's what I feel is going to happen.
Final.
So those two,
England hangover.
Explain, man.
she doesn't understand.
I don't understand.
So here's the
Naga
thing.
soka bendika diva.
If ever abakotamba Pirates and the Chiefs, did you know it's always Pirates, Chiefs, there's the team against Sundowns. Cause wait, don't do Pirates and the Chiefs. What about Pirates and Sundown? It's gonna be all those teams. It's gonna support the Pirates or Sundowns. So I feel like that's what is gonna happen also with us.
Oh.
So it's the whole country, France, because you got running.
Mara azvi chonondeka ndichori azvibvikori vatu varangana vavakuri mini vari stadium ari kuliwa dhuliyo.
I feel like they play a role.
Mara already majority yova yebahange nakaini last time. So if it really counted, we wouldn't have won. That's just what I'm saying.
It's fine, man. Like, hey, I'm saying prep I'm not sure. The questions, those questions are so many, guys. There's a lot, and so there's good because
Ritonodzipupa dzimwe.
I hope.
Adzikopupiwa. Okay, let's start then. Let's get to it.
I'm pretty sure on the question.
Ucho urutopiro wewe.
Angazitendeti. Anonymous.
Kana urumena mtu wawe.
Oh, okay. Nice. I don't know. Let's start with the questions, and then if we still have time, then we'll go to the other things. Or those next.
Mara question. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are this is to zvino, then it's fine.
Yeah. I don't think it's just zvino. Did I check?
And then the ndikupindura.
You got to pindura. The Black Couch
Randifunge mic is it.
Okay, ngari wofungiwa guys anyways. Wofungwa kale we. Wakudombizari. Just go practice a voice.
Okay, so the first question, why was on one episode last week? Let me answer this one too. So guys, I think it was on episode 9. I did answer this or no, I didn't answer. We said something around this or now that's the exam team consists of whatever different. Also offers doing something, opposite doing something, I'm doing something. So we just have to steal time. There was also another chance rather on one episode, but then now guys, let's do something. And then also we're gonna steal your next week also. So also next week you'll have another episode, I hope. So that's just the reason. So Roger make episode 9. And then because I'm not funny. Let's go to episode 10. Roger make episode 9. So when you go expect your episode you're gonna go to guys, I'm very mean all the time. So you don't make like that, guys. If it's not to episode near the one. So yeah, that's just it.
Okay.
I'm gonna be hey, are you looking to date right now?
Are we looking to date?
Are you looking to date?
Oh, I'm dating, so.
Mpo. Phone mic here.
Wofungai?
And guys, avati ndevati anotozvipa ti ikoamba at the same time mpo I looking to date right now.
No, I'm not looking to date, man.
Why?
Ningozvipa.
No, I'm not single.
No, but
Oh, you're not single.
and then
Anonipikesa.
this one is similar to that one. Are you talking to someone now? And then okay, one big
No, wait. What about you?
Did I answer? I didn't
No,
answer.
you didn't answer.
I think I did.
No.
What was the question? Are you looking to date right now?
Yeah.
Definitely not.
Nityoribudza.
I mean, you could be dating and you're looking to date more,
Exactly. So we need to be sure. Are you looking to date right now?
I said no.
so- Okay.
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 Isn't Venda?
And that is no obviously go compare this question man could and I go so happens no target from travel.
Ijenani.
Okay, let's go. One biggest dream you foresee for the Black Couch in the next 5 years. Yo, sounds like an interview.
What one biggest what?
Dream you foresee for the Black Couch in the next 5 years. What would you want to see in the next 5 years?
Definitely more subscribers. Tingazidotramba nomboro.
Yeah.
But it would be nice to have like sponsors, I guess. People that pay for advertisements, stuff like that. Anything that makes us bigger, anything that makes us grow according to anything like, it can be subscribers, it can be sponsors, anything.
However.
I just don't know ringana meaning 5 years mara. It's on God.
I actually like this setup. Like these conversations.
Yeah.
But
Why need to tell go run about I mean, it's one of the and it is right. I bet it doesn't watch and the rugby. Like it's like pro.
Yeah.
Pola.
you see,
You're still saying-
the answer yanga iko there na zothula dzimbo.
Yeah.
And then you wanna worry Black Couch even a studio chayo mavana
Yeah,
weshe.
true, yeah.
Ezwo there we go set up apa no ni
Oof, it's exhausting.
Rego zama wona zo camera zo zulisa hani. I mean,
It's not good, eh?
it's
Not
not
even
good.
camera, the phone, guys.
You see.
Phone rina camera.
Tinobona ani abero ro squeeze out ro rona dzimbondo.
And the wapisa.
Ekukopisa.
How low go pizza nangi unera the donor studio. Till light it over.
Ridowana irenazi what dude, we're dreaming big here. Inini kumla studio cha mkukuni. Don't over bigger. Not anything that's gonna make us grow.
I know why, guys. So, like, your answer? Open door.
Yeah,
Studio.
Oh, okay. Like, for me, okay, I feel like you guys have touched on English. But then now we wanna have like more content besides just us and I mean, and then so when the segment
Oh yes.
you won't even notice. So something like that. Mara, not that we're not gonna drop. The more the people, the more we're gonna drop, guys. So
Exactly.
tell your people to subscribe. And
there's
all that.
only 2 segments now.
Yeah, and then there's
like
like
inspire as a guest.
and then there's Yash, Yam Deepo, and then there's 3 more coming, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Watch out, guys.
Surprise,
3 more
surprise.
coming.
I think I'll talk about. I think I saw a question around this one. So something like that. I just want to have my own studios also, and then make sure in between, like we don't have to. If we're in a segment, I should go shoot it up. I go shoot it up. I should always be like this. Something.
Yeah,
Like that.
yeah, that
So,
would be nice.
And it would be nice also to have a studio here in Joburg and then one in Venda, in case you never know, eh?
Yeah, I
Absolutely.
guess.
They imagine Venda ndarendo wangwa diffuse.
Oof.
So if in a studio Venda, everything is sorted.
Yeah, I
Something like
guess.
that. So what's the next one? Let's talk about relationships. Okay, this will be on the next episode. I don't know what you want us to talk about because relationship and all that. Mara, yeah, relationships are good.
Now I have a question here, the relationship. Because funny enough, it's something that we spoke about this week. See? Okay. Here's my question, right? Do you guys believe in what Kanati? We're gonna touch on the cheating matter. What do you guys think? Uri, is it true that when men cheat, they cheat because of what they see? Let's say, for example, Nikobona, a beautiful woman, body, everything. Anyways, okay.
Yeah.
When men cheat, they cheat because of what they see. But when women cheat, they cheat because of how they feel. Apparently, when a woman cheats, Ndingori, like she doesn't, like, she has lost interest in you. Like, or no, she was doing the feelings. Do you think that's how it is? Mara for you guys, niyagonochita nikadifuna mtu wanu, you just tempted because you're a man. Because that's just how men are. What do you think?
Watatekeleza radio. Watatekeleza radio.
Afindula. Mtu anochua.
Yeah, like mpo February.
No, nothing else gonna ifindula, man. I don't cheat.
Okay. Yeah.
No, guys. No. Just because you don't cheat doesn't mean you don't know what's going on. Tambi.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't work like that.
Okay, it's fine. Let me answer then.
Please.
Ndono difa kumbulele kwa wangu watu na experience in the field.
No difa. Uchipi.
No fauchi.
Rumor has it.
Arofo chifindi zwa bukume zo zitu.
Yeah.
Ora babana abatoye bachi generalisa kazo. Ndisuzo ndokuiteya neho. Babayelo difara.
Okay.
Mara atuto diva uri bungo azobo ndikwambore on a personal level ndingasikona to back up.
What do you think? Enashtosedza ngamungu okali chizwe yapfa otodzura pasi nje achikosedzeri wamuna achijola it's okay ngori kuba sina dzi feelings wamthatha achijola uba khova. What do you think? Unga ali chizwe yapfa lini otodzura samuthu umulwanene kakumbula zwabudi ambudze. What do you think?
No, I mean vaone vane vangachita ngori navo voneta.
Okay.
Babanna.
Yeah.
Ndonofa vamwe vakudijana na radio ni vakwamba uri ndilina pano actually this is funny. Ndandikwamba na mumwe this week ne akwamba uri girls these days ndivo mkondeleli zo straight. Like
Yeah, zana wakondelela man.
avakwamba ri so that guy ukwambore ene ochita, right? But then the girl is still there. Like, come on, man. I cheated. Why are you still here? You know? So, wangobagoto wana ushunsa that cheating thing as an escape. Because abachato do ba hone apune baba hone zo zina.
Jemor na message uto siyanga kolor ni boni.
Yeah.
And then you don't get the message na dzura na thokulu.
Na farera.
Na
toya furi na dzura. Okay, what do you think?
No, I think copy and paste.
Copy and paste. I don't believe it. As a woman.
Why don't you believe?
I don't think it's true. Uri vazana vachita ngantani uri. It can't be true. Like jifana mserikori jojo konderera jojo mkondereriti. It's not really true. Ningaona roho mtu anakuamburi my girl is still here. And I'm seeing no jola. He just doesn't know what she's doing. Yeah. Women are just so good at hiding things. Like literally we detach and we do our own stuff. She's still cooking for you, she's still doing whatever. Mara, she's probably doing other stuff on the outside. But here's my chat. Yauri, if men are saying they cheat because of what they see, can't we see? That's my question. Like,
I think it goes both ways.
No, you might find that I love my person so much, ndiamufuna and whatever. That turana muane, he looks better, you know. And I probably cheat because of looks. But when he cheats because of looks, it's okay. But when a woman cheats because of looks, if you know she's cheating because she's not interested in... No, I am interested. He just looks better. Like, I just want men to understand that we are in an era where what men can do, women can do too. Like, no, I'm not. Men were providers. Like, and that is a dongara because everything has to come from you. I'm doing it for my kids. But now we're basically in the same level. You might find that we even earn the same money. So, like, I'm just going to do me. If you're going to cheat, I'm going to cheat too. But I'm just saying that it's a very old mentality.
How to end the relationship, don't you think?
Yeah, because honestly, ne.
No, I took umbrella.
Yeah, upedza vanhu utosala kamdzine na tanga rina vathu vashu ve vamweni vanotoricha. Cho bikeli wa mlo vacho.
Okay, prophet wapa. Prophetess.
I love Millie, don't remember 1 meal. Anyways,
let's move on.
Mara, I hope you guys got my point.
I get your point.
And you think it's right.
That's what I'm saying. Relationships these days, if na check out you would even wish your role of no sin to and do whatever they want to do.
Yeah, because I think that's one thing. You're just like, yo.
let's move on. I think don't question
Okay,
related to
great.
sex. Okay, as nam took a Black Couch Diaries. I think Paul said he is a person.
How can I muthu?
Embudziso arifire. Hey, you've been ready.
And then who's your crush?
Teenagers.
No one.
Ndinayo.
Ndi.
Oh, tumdividzini. Ndi ufinyi.
The celebo.
Yeah, ndidomba
Celebrity crush.
Oh, ndinaisi celebo.
Really?
Ndimkono wedi varipira.
Ndinyi. No, wobudzisiwa.
Ndimutwara tsini.
Eh?
Ndimutwara tsini. That's dangerous.
Wobudzisiwa
Nah.
pindulani. Oh, why ni kore mkona wa
You know the
idiva.
moment you can
Black
get
Couch ni
access-
mkona.
Let me tell you
Wobudzisa
something.
Black Couch squad, Black squad
Let me tell you
yobudzisa.
something, T. You know the moment the moment you have access to your crush, that's you with numbers of people same time.
Khombro wobudzisori.
So I tell crush
Wobudzisa
yangu.
uri ndinyi crush yanu. Ini niri mkona wa idiva.
No, tukamur why the person or she knows who the person is. Okay, I don't know what
Who
I'm saying.
is your crush, sir?
Atina, guys, I'm just kidding.
Ningozvipa.
Okay, prophetess.
It's fine.
Mara yeah.
Mara yana vyana ba access, nekana access, it's over.
That's so cool. Like when it's dhara.
Here's the truth. You shouldn't date your crush, guys. You can't date your crush. Cause
Yeah, true.
I've been a crush yangu tini mani kuumbura nichumlorani mani kuumbura
Even
so sio
imagination
shangoni.
already, yeah.
Actually, then I realized that this person can't even chew properly. So
Yo.
it's not gonna work.
And then this is not a question. This is just a compliment because I said we should get compliments, criticism, and questions. So the Black Couch in the Quran are not gonna lie. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers to the team, guys. So road to 10K.
I'm at 20K by June next year, and those were 9.
Let's try.
Gotcha.
Let's
That's
push.
an profit, but I love this.
How does namnikira kaunikeri?
Now when taking us to Kirkin.
So Prophet November.
Who's Prophet November? Ndosko yibona kati.
Mom don't you know how to turn to Kirkin.
Really?
Hey, I'm like, ha. Imagine I'm funding a jena nga to turn.
Vapi?
Nezilanda tozibona mnyanya ni phase. That's why it's
Ngo imagine vapi vakatutuntu. Riba imagine rote.
Home TV.
Ndanoindia ndichivahamba ndisvikayagura rivarekodhere virovdzo rivazvivone vaditatekerekei.
And then what's the other question?
Sumba, ne?
Oh, this is a deep question. How come when there is okay guys, unazo zvinenge ndichikobara ti? Oh sorry, unazo zvinenge the rich kobara ti? The one ndikota ndishake because I'm trying to make sense of the English also written yet. So how come when there's allegations of men in the industry having to sleep with that DJ brackets Madumane to get to the top is always questioned and not believed? But when there is an allegation about a female sleeping her way to the top, people instantly believe it. Yeah,
Powerful.
That's a deep question. Whoever you are, show yourself. That's a good question.
That's
No,
a very
no,
good
I want to give you flowers.
But think about it. Okay, hey, yeah, this is a touchy subject. We'll be careful now. Tread
Nah,
careful.
man, say whatever you want to
Say,
say.
Okay, Mara,
say your mind.
look-
Speak your
look-
mind.
State your mind.
Look at him.
Sorry.
Nne kombela amba in general ati tiko todo o adresa yeyo situation
Dumisani.
ya hoyo anokwambiwa ne mara arali hapfi tanganedzani nikuchita na imwe auti it will be hard to believe, man.
Yeah,
Upirisa msiri kuri nikuchita na mwe muzidzana because we know you're straight.
Yeah.
But that was not the question.
No, but then here's the thing, see?
Hoyu ukuri zvamadhumani zvikobhilivhiwa mara uchibve mufumakadzi osleepa
Azvikobhilivhiwa.
azvikobhilivhiwa ndikofunga ri ukuri zvikobhilivhiwa okay
But vakohanedzo zvingasikona dzeye.
Yeah.
The same way ini nawana mushumo hamasipala, we know what you did. But nina wana, I'm probably capable of that job that I got. Ningashuma masipala. Okay.
as long as ndinithanithangi
And how? Ni aninge ntantanda.
ndikoutoda okay why is it hard to believe?
Why is it hard to believe if guys are sleeping with each other?
You know,
Get to
here's the
top?
thing, Nazamapurisa article, it's not true. But what made me not to believe it is how it came out. That guy sounded bitter. Did you listen to that?
don't know
Did you
it-
watch that video?
I don't know where it came from.
You should watch the video where he was like, yeah, and I'm just like, this sounds so much like Mutuane or Katiwa off kana or Bairo opportunity guy. Like it sounded so bitter. It was not a mature
Bitter ex.
conversation where and Jadwafuti Jankumbuza when what's this? If you look at Nasa as a Venda, ne, Nukumbrella video Atina Manoa, waterbearer, right?
yeah.
I've realized how in South Africa, okay, let's just look at Venda. Nabi anabantha feds. If you do well for yourself, it's either nanoa or you sleep or you're sleeping with a rich person. Kana finina AIDS. Like they just can't say good things about. Listen to what I'm saying. I'm just saying once you have money in Venda. But they can't just sit down and talk about your money and not add spices to Rivi. They just need to add something.
Yeah, I get that part.
So they just wanna smear something.
Smear something because you're too good to be true. No, but like there are a lot of people but now they're like, oh local one. Now for this was Jenna guy. It sounded like that. Ori, who can be too good about how good Mapurisa is doing so well. Afori auna chonji tuchina doambanga just gore. Shafana msiba kuitwa mini and I'm just like if it was that easy uri nikoso ko benda na Jenna a lot of people are double benda. But double kodora Jenna if it was that easy. Niliche mngano wanga. Stay away from my friend.
I know if it's chinga bend.
Chinga's bend.
Le adwaka live chingori chideo chiko benda.
Niliche mngano wanga.
I'm just kidding guys.
Niliche mngano wanga. Niliche mngano but I'm just saying imagine if it was that easy. Because already on the after 9, they actually are dating men because a LGBTQ TV it's normal men. Do you understand what I'm saying? So imagine if all you needed was to just bend and then you are in and you have a whole song with Pori.
Dude.
Nothing I don't know.
Would you work radio?
Yeah, I would.
I was actually thinking of it this other time where I'm not for enough. Hey, I come to the and then you should me have a para.
Para marengantwa.
Was it
Maruambo.
Man, but do you done? To have to see the moment.
No, Tom, no fire work and the moment available with the tati.
I think I cut it never. Hey,
Dofa. No, but the tati.
Now, what I'm imagining what I so when we the fit, I need to wasn't a prep of it. I know we're going to pass show.
Rangatati were in the
Choco.
Yeah. I did media, I know. Not even if those start, but still because you're not as free. You're like
we're doing podcasts, guys. Hey, the radio's not by
allegedly na mover.
Exactly. Yeah. So and then how old is our McG? Guys, I'm not called McG. McG is McG. But we're 25. We're both 25.
You and who?
You are 25 also.
Don't involve me.
Yeah, so guys, I'm 25 years old.
Oh, nearly 98. I used to think you were 97. Oh, no. Oh, that's how Nani agreed ahead.
Oh, Nani for one I went to a TikTok. Ofi out of Shasha or Covari or at the one in jail. My mother bang there. Hey, Narkava read.
In what's it?
Was 22.
It's that January. And if I don't know, Bendis were 22 days in the inch.
Our November.
Remember October war name a boss because Rivarco does all those rush watch anyways, it's fine.
And then are you friends with Tendoram Ramu Fumezi?
Who's Tendoram Fumezi?
As a Ram Fumezi.
I'm sure it was supposed to be Ram Fumezi Mara.
I don't know who that is.
What Fam TV?
Tendoram no Jenna Mwe Tendo Marach Tendo Anish is now a doctor Mara no I as Junish when you Hi, I don't know who that is, eh? Hi guys, and the Mutabiari, are you friends? It is Yamburi. And I will not depend on Obana Mutu or not that I'm doing and Zina.
So I think so.
Oh, flip.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Mara, happy Instagram team, Instagram Zina, Mara Zina, hang on what I have Instagram.
Okay.
I want to find some operator. Oh no, I just know her as a person.
I don't know why I'm so good at it.
No, no. Not
yeah.
No, you guys, not friends. Guys, I can't be friends with everyone. Come on.
Okay. And then, which episode was the best for you thus far?
For who? For us?
For us, obviously. This is not for everyone. Which one was the best? Now I might not know the actual number of the episode. Marandela Yofi as Imbi's off.
Oh, yeah, Mbarabari.
The one that dropped just before.
Yeah, dropping us 15.
Yeah,
dropping us 15. That's just September.
I don't know. I enjoy all of them, so I don't know. I don't know.
Don't lie, man. There's always that one, you're like, oh.
Here's your best funny names. We are guests. It's just us talking. It's different stuff every day.
Your guest, which one was your favorite?
Which one was my favorite? Your guest.
Your best thus far. Your guest.
No, but this is just.
Okay, so but the other one now I need none could diva no Greg over Fistos.
Okay, episode Tom.
In your guest.
your guest can I'll choose. I don't know if it's because it's recent.
I know Mudau Nangile says.
Yeah, kid when like,
And I still haven't watched it. Yes,
guys, Toyangela the Eko Papa go say yo.
I still haven't watched it.
The thing is, I love laughing, but then when I laugh, the vein is in the vein and that whichever it is. It's yaba. Aba, nto zoyipozore. Ndobe zana mpora the ceremony dile do.
Zichikobuya.
Na checha chisakufara ya thought. Nichikoibona ndi ndo chifaka background. Akana kupamizwa yeso. Hey, chara yo jukudzanga za kereke kezo. Ini yenu ndipyo. Your favorite.
Di get in kavika jesu.
Oh, okay.
Anasi control that. Mike ina get it.
No. So Younger Up, I think it's episode 6, if I'm not mistaken.
What is it about?
No, not because of the content here kwambiwa. Neti ndikushuba mrauko zaifika hapo noni.
Yeah, chingashima para kudzaipi.
What is that?
The mic.
The microphone. Yeah.
So visually that thing, yeah, no. I feel like Hela you were blind. Is it episode 6?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think between episode 6 or 7, one of the two. Yeah. And then Ngange Kat's guest. Which one would I say? Maybe Attendos. Yeah.
Nini lati mwibon.
Attendos.
Tendos yako to admit or no kaya chautoko ndi guru ifirando.
Ne, which is good, eh?
Okay.
No, mara zwinotoma GoFundMe mzuyolugisela gulu.
Oh yeah, ori naturanda ngaji.
Yo dowe yakwashe ya futhi.
Uba kutopina.
No, okwasha njini. Uirela.
Mara, that doesn't change the fact that ndiyo ne important still kai goroinanbo. Kai.
For jure ka derenge biye menge.
Ne mara, like I really feel like people ezuzori mutu ari priority kind goroi usindu ngandani not nduti. I feel like we should let those people be just because of nerefuneza dindu azuyamburi.
But wanyofuna
banya go ngandani onyango ziraba badan reneria funo ribatu bafune swine nerafuna zone, and it doesn't work like that.
Yeah,
you know, I could actually stay Tembisa and buy a car. Ngoriche day and I spend I can literally pay for a car. Hey, havana mutu no unenda zuna one, there are so many big cars. Do you understand? Yeah. Because that's what they chose. Bakufori the queen of spender tuku kandu instead of udzurangi in the driver. So priorities.
Are you a car lady or a house lady?
I'm a house lady.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, another question. When are you guys going to have a guest on the diary segment? Example, a therapist will talk about the mental issues that was raised a couple of episodes ago. So, like, guys, we're still trying to set up everything. Okay, this is my answer.
Mara.
We're still trying to set up everything now, so we can have a guest.
Yes, I was about to say now
so,
it's
like,
better.
everything is getting better now.
Mm-hmm.
So, baby steps, guys.
Yeah, we can actually have like friends of the show now.
Yeah,
that would be so fun.
Friends of the show, actually.
Yeah.
So, with him being the first one.
Yeah, Mpocho is a friend of the show.
I love the show.
Ooh.
And then, is it possible to shoot one episode with some of us as your audience in the studio? No, guys, still small. The studio is very small. Very small. Maybe on one studio church, like they say, the prophetess and the prophet, or once to get our own, like, yeah. But then we can also, like, ubita branch also. So we'll see how to.
But also, you guys need to work hard and share so that we get to a point here subscribers are enough because we can't be like this. You know, we are not there yet. Yes, we are big and we thank you so much for that, Mara. You guys should push more. At least if we get to 10, we can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like 10 is something, man. There's something special about the number 10 also.
Yeah.
Okay, and then since OAFA has a foundation and Black Couch is definitely expanding. Okay, thanks for that. Will it be possible for y'all to collaborate in helping the less fortunate? For example, food, clothes, etc. And then like we all donate however we can and find sponsors from Muta.
Oh, Mutaduri.
Why in a you? Need also Muta.
Mutaduri.
Oh, okay.
Yes, funny enough, I was supposed to have a meeting now Greg this week. I was going to talk to you about it. It's just that you know, so we were still talking. We were planning on doing something like that. I don't know. Christmas. And even if the goodies about to Yo.
Hey, utsima maikwawo. Vechiona chiuza kukomenta zvino. Votakara. Vakutoona na kamera zvino.
No.
Yeah, you're still saying.
Rikonyangoita like a Christmas thing.
Yeah.
Like it's a Christmas hamper. Ine comes ringazvisa before richitua for Christmas. Although we don't. But it would be nice to have like companies collaborate. Definitely Alma Foundation, Black Couch, VEG, nadzimwe dzine akuhamba nadzo the company. That's what we wanted to do. But I'm just not sure if a month is enough. Because this year I didn't do anything foundation, so I felt like that would be a way of because like Christmas hampers, even if it's not like orphanage comes here it's old age home, something like that. But we've thought of it, and then we'll tell me when the cover get good basiva Venda.
I mean when they are wearing it. 15 minutes left.
No, not really. What dude? It's Christmas, but we're going to go. Let me know what dear and Christmas. Ini ngambara zvambo zva Christmas usina dessert inga tu na Christmas
ni snap Sunday was na nda wera no panolana vatonyana
no cuz uba una snap amara this year una snap ngira Sunday
aziko swikitwa lini obva ndi vision nati is it 4
yeah snap I don't know ngendo ya Christmas last year.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so you're still saying are you done?
Yeah, we done. We're thinking of it, and yeah, we're gonna do it through the poster.
Okay, and then when was the last time you cried? You.
I cry every day.
But when was the last time? Did you cry today? Have you cried today?
No, today I didn't cry. I cried.
Yesterday?
Oh, this week is already here.
Mpo.
What?
When last did you cry?
No, I can't remember, man.
Hey.
Ini.
That's probably last week.
I think then the last week. Naleshi zanga dzabva yo I was so mad.
Okay. And then Tangoto baveta ije ado wabera veta.
Actually, you should address that one. Hey,
you should address it.
No, you want to see you one moment now. No, like people ask me a lot.
But what was that opposite? See, kind of what I know. Ava dikane straight.
What?
Anonymous.
It's okay, Marpindura.
Yeah, I'm gonna answer it obviously. Mm-hmm. So I came to vet. And then everything was fine. And then, hey, so I got tired also. I was like, let me do something on the side. And then, obviously, I wouldn't do Suzoto Manga. So I went to EJ. And I say ECT, you know what I mean? So on the EJ, did something. And then, did you EJ? Now some reach vets. I was still at vets also. And then I got back to vets. And hopefully, should be leaving very soon, eh? Should be.
So nani songolicha. So you did not, and a vet and move on stop. Ningo is a panda na jena no hina no trauma.
Then not tomorrow. Do I send them not tomorrow?
Yeah.
Maria, they're not tomorrow because it's not like I want to change or something.
Okay.
Yeah, so
same career path.
Definitely.
Great.
Now we see and under the Lion vets.
Ajambi.
So guys, I hope it answers your question, wherever it is. And then for people who are working with such and Kingsley always speaks of money on the Black Couch. Who has the most money in the room? Who has the most money in the room? Ndimpo.
Ndimpo. Yeah, Ndimpo.
And don't give me some about.
Okay, Ndiwa.
So paying and don't on again.
Evan now I show.
No, the last never just by the man was
No, Ndini Mara, Ndimpo.
Ndimpo, yeah.
No, guys.
No, I will copy who is rich. Who of you who has the most money?
How much?
Okay, I don't know the banking app.
Yeah, in a
72 rand.
Nah, America's investment.
Atina investment.
As one is, does investment.
What do you mean? Atina, did you want a guy?
Okay,
it's fine. I really vale. Atina chelede, guys. Come on.
Mara, because the very pindura team. So I'm saying, out of vote. Onoko rimpo. Because onambo biti on vote. Dimpo, guys.
Dimpo. Let's go.
And then have you ever got marked before? And second, do you play lotto? If yes, how much have you won? I don't play lotto, guys. No, I don't.
No, you're not talking about Powerball like him, bro.
See why he's rich.
Did you buy 5 rand and I win at 20 rand?
That's funny. Profit.
Return
on investment.
I didn't game, bro.
Have you ever been mugged? Oh,
Kingsley has a story to tell.
No, that wasn't me though. Like, no, not your. The thing is, okay, so we're walking from rest. I was done. This other guy. I'm gonna offer a speaker. colorful, it's nice. Although you see those Bluetooth speakers, which got try and then offer an iPhone ngachana, blast iPhone 6S.
Busiku.
It doesn't really around 6. So liko chomo tip banyan. Ngaphala Nelson Mandela Children's Hospital. Okay, I know the. So I can see these 3 guys behind us. That was said and that was all I'm saying. Hey dude, you might have to run, right? And why do you say that? Nichi said that. Chipinga chenda mbefila zvitu na wala mtu na already distance out rabo kafu bono skatsina rene doesn't make sense. How did they actually come in for us? That dude, let's achikadiri vakava chipikara vachipikara vako jamera phone atenda chipikara chitu I don't. And then he took the what is it? No, I offer a phone nila asa ko run ayo vachikoita. And then when I was trying to help I was like, hey guys ringasi very baby.
Kana utoto wa phone.
Cut your phone too. What's so special about the iPhone, guys? I'm like, hey. And then I put the all. I don't know. I put some very good so. And then in my mind, this is Joburg. Anything can happen. Niko fonga ila guru. Washimanaye. I can watch it. And then there's the shower. Online. I'm the shower line. I talk. Hey, no. Phone season 99. And then I'm gonna give me the laptop. And it was the whole thing.
Baba Farah.
Nah, it was a long story. It was and then there's the company of Bad Boys. Never go and take a patrol around Bram. I think they are Bram and they are Vete. Yeah, Zumar. And then what's considered the Alakanavashiva Jenangumu Dindin, his nets at the Passa, but Passa one apple. That guy, pepper spray. The pepper is not pepper spray.
The guy or tall.
Oh, you are Bad Boys. This is a guy, I'm sure what on a Jennifer. He looks so dangerous. Aposa Stushinonga. Chidito nikambi wenyan apeza twincha ngom ngaeke ndike 47 anela magidi ala so
uheba lot kana bashebela wona
so rukamba ungadona zitumbu ziri pase M1 that's saying kana woko no shawo
crazy
era that story see no ways
na ndo 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 jeri wando isedza bo ndazo kutuziva
ati bana kutuziva uneta zvinji pandanga CBD I'm like oh damn
ndingori vyo
you know nichitomotalicheza ndingori ngombe like a sniper line.
Oh, ndichampwechi. Achichangani.
Chashpikara ndichampo.
Chashpikara ndichamungu. Echino chiya kunyanga ndichamba ndichampo.
No, mara nani nani hone momona.
And you know it's funny.
Like you were there.
The guy I'm trying to save people.
No. That day I won't know was a conserver.
Don't you say vampo.
Hey, on Sia. Offer. I'm gonna say.
Don't lie.
No, you just looked back, man.
Ndarimpo ndaboti huma zongo nukompengela.
Ulichirina museva ngombo nomubizera rimpo.
No, asitsa mrawa rimpo guy.
And the story and what when angabona babuza ti they probably know the real story because I tell kids ariko chimbi ariko vagrachini ti headed to rest and then have to very ngoloi afura mafuti and then right I mean we turn back riko shaba then ndicho gidi realize mpo agolo gidima maybe and ataka mbona tsi ndarimpo ndafunguza ndawe ndinya kuhuma abako kono catch up na ndisino nikuita vino fish
amara wono to home.
Oh,
mara mumburu wotuwa and then mali ku for rotary ku yotuwa right
ndikobona this other gonna
na kono shumburu aniko mubona then
no where's mpo ndikirela mpo mrao ndishikori ndi hume abachi
wa unyoni jela tfono
ati dibi we don't even know
I'm slippers in the line.
Ati bajiga ma mntu ndoro muhumela ubori mini ha guys nimbone ndikunye kutusa mumwe muthu ndozvibona ngichi
nditi handa zami udai nendati wishem nenga bodo je think nandi show ndato babona bakuje kachikwama so but them ndichichema that's my voice
kuti gudo gidima ma arikatora ko musave
tsengo gidima abako practice
and then yeah a lot of like I said I don't play lot.
No we don't
Anyway,
not shut down.
Okay. Chinopfuma, told. So he's the rich one, guys. The worst trouble you got into as a kid. What's a kid? Because I might have a lot of stories.
Man, like kid,
primary,
teenager.
Before 10 maybe.
Like
under 12.
I don't primary. You are a kid if you're in grade 6. I
don't even remember what I did.
How old was I when I was in grade 6? 11.
You are 11, yeah. So you're a baby.
Okay, yeah.
I think Robbie's a team. I think
you.
Wait, how? How you do that?
The how part is the worst part of it.
Of course, please explain.
Dana mom Sharon. Sharon Brazil was my friend. So we decided we were broke. We're like, I read a donation. Because donation guys also do. we write a little paper lozokokonya nichiumbira cherede
Yeah.
mwana bambiri liya so riko chimbira rikuumbira rozvipara riri kuitira purupero ila cherede rozvipara runa foundation ya minimini rikuumbira
yakoedzi foundation dzanizatomawo
tinotuma tichepfukutoda grade 4 izvozvo komwana nashero nshero lichikopanga chikwamana rikuchimbira chinochimbira rawaniwa nga mumwe azvinonzo rikuzvipa ngo roya hawe rombera pfi hauna ndonga warozvipanga ngomunhu unori wendi wafana shero nawo tabapfi.
Yeah.
And then I reporter next thing rikotevediwa zvino kutodwachicharachetsila rikosemiwa rikodziumisa nasvikati. So after that we were so mad, right? Shiro na really bambirila arirolifisa so ralifisela opposite hacho nditsimia makolo. Next thing we know ukoduga wote kuzalamasa. So imagine how much of a bad day that was.
azinazotawomara
atichadhipa all I remember is tichibona muliro umunjiroza mudha nazvibhakete zvavasitokoshuma and then we just ran raira dzumbama vakunanga vata vakurisema vachiri nivodza vakotsiyaviwo ndiko chain yamanyoro the chain yamiri I don't know but it was so funny now that we talk about it it's like wow.
That was the time we should have decided I want to be a firefighter though.
Wow ndobhairo tsima kuliro kwazitsimuni
Like now you really want to do it or in case I did.
ndiri kutodera charede raskuita chironyodhira wimpi nonichipachedzi wimpi ngetila chipingi so yeah.
I don't think I grade 6 I remember anything.
No, I remember everything. Ini numbri zoite ka grade 6.
Something I... What's
I
the
don't
question?
think
High school. Oh.
Ndachipinda dhamba nje.
Nanjida.
No, ndachiya maro chodhamba. Ndachima ndo
Toilet hangi.
Not toilet.
Nanji wangu takela area la jambo.
Not area. Okay, you,
Oh,
you
yeah,
can say
yeah,
that
yeah.
Mara. And I need to use the area like.
And this ukotakadza mini. Nzikomangana ino nzokotakala.
Jambo rini no one ni addicted jambo.
Nami?
Ka real.
Ka real.
No.
Mara high school I feel like we all did something. High school was just are we kids in high school?
Nichipera njingani kwa university.
Ndiaudiva. Haungaone uyera urina chivana.
Shimyanga wado sorry.
I know, I'm sorry. Nani robvesa ngazvivana.
Wobvesa voda. Oh. Yasoita mini. Vamtusi vahashi vachikokuva. Wana mbanje chikwamani.
Ini chikuita ningadza.
It was dope, mama. And my mom doesn't believe me. I'm telling you. I swear on God.
Nenzo chipa chitoba zvisina mushumo. Like why?
Asho hako dama polisa. I not my police. Principal kana mini. Rariko shaba ti.
It is dependent.
That doba like no, hako kutukwa mechisi. Ngangomu kuna zimbani. I'm like half full box. That doba le panga chikwamani. I went home. Chikanda pfura ndachinja ndapanga zvamburo kanti ka basket yawo. Ndikumangala. Vamtusi lengo dondichuma.
Namtangano.
Hi, vamtusi vakosiyana nekhole abzaze ukuita mina jikiziki ngamadekwana ofitanga dhani
That's where you know it's over.
At that point I don't even know what I did. Okay chamba zombanje zvaklika later no ndina full box chikwama that was a demi
jamburi nani chishava chikoroni
uchava
ngachivana nani hautsina
demi chava how's a demi nachishava
not nicodemic rovi. And then I think that's the worst thing I used to do because nandi chief public security 5 rand and abvando peta bambiri
ana wanga bompengo keva
ndilone la kelo ni vanondo peta bambiri zvamburi nava vanokunivona nikubva vakufura nofara mini sick note havala nono vasunyedza na walk out simple as that.
And then mpo wajola oh guys raro daily ofi we should wrap up so that ko fast zinati mpo wajola ave fast okay ono ipindura uruna mutu. And then couples channel efana this is definitely directed to me yeah yofa cause aicheo osara imkona zote peds angufindi kwambo why
Okay.
Oh sorry nite nishere I think kana uyangane okay those weekend so uyangane you've been happy so lately the question you've been happy so lately I don't know who they mean me you him or just us as a team why I'm happy man lately I am happy to be honest.
No, I'm happy, man.
Why are you happy?
Man.
You happy that I'm happy?
We're happy together.
And then, are you ready to settle down, or is it too early to say?
I don't know. Rams is settle now date. This as just
Well, settle down. Wow, data is something else.
Settle down. I mean, who can boy? Settle down.
Are you ready to settle down? Are you ready to marry?
As you am be
like.
No, I'm not.
Are you ready to settle down?
Today.
At this moment. The given moment that you're living at now. Are you ready to settle down? Would you marry?
Munhu ane ndikadhiwa chikoloni mamwana. Like,
yes kana no mari nne ndikwamba in terms of finances and everything else that I still want to do on my own ini kwamba zvambiru ingatsecherese mbiru idhonipengisa badi bvanika mbiru
then in that case atingapedza risongomara because we all need money yakukuma or to settle down
azvone ndizvo
you don't need 10 million.
No, mara ri kudo humela kha zwizwila tanga zwine rono vhuya ra zwiamba zwori your rich is not my rich. Huna muthu ane hune ava listen to what I'm saying. Let me tell you. Ini ni khouri ngori nne ndi khamba hezwo zwi amba uri roṱhe ri ḓo fhedza ri songo swika. So I'm saying huna ane ava hune nne nda vhone ana pfori u sharp. So it doesn't mean uri roṱhe ri ḓo fhedza ri songo ita. Nne ndi to vhori ndi khou pfori zwinga. I don't want to join. I'm not ready for the joint accounts now. I can't be.
And besides the joint account, I'm just not. I mean, life is somehow, man. Life will show you flames. But then, yeah. And then, can you have a topic about Venda men and their attitudes towards Venda women? So we'll have a topic about this next week also. The Panka prep. Tindi uyanga topic also. Just like all our relationship. Just that one relationship. And then directed to both of you. Please describe your first heartbreak. Both means two. So the two of you.
Okay. Amber.
The two of you. I said the two of you, guys.
Oh, yeah. The two of you.
Describe
your first heartbreak.
Ambani. For both of us. Two man.
Oh, for you. I said, I'm
First one. You don't know. And the thing is, you YouTube channel. I'm going to explain how to do
the number of TV.
You're not the love of my life broke my what something.
Point that side. Tanga do we have or K-Link.
Okay. K-Link.
Ange.
K-Link.
Hey.
Yeah.
Not understand love when they have the. Okay, mine.
Hey, because you want to video call love.
Ever heartbreak. Yeah, I've had one. No, I don't know, man. Heartbreak in the Pauline no by Sarah.
Like totally.
Due by Sarah, because did you want? Did you want Nandina motor rate? So I don't think it was heartbreak. Mara, yeah, like I was invested also. I don't know, man. No, don't need to do about it. So I don't go for that heartbreak or yeah. But then the way is just like those breakups, man. This sudden. And then the question, but guys, the anxiety I get from looking forward to seeing a new video on Friday only to find out you guys didn't upload messes up my whole day. I won't lie. And I'm pretty sure I ain't the only one. So with that being said, can you guys drop consistently? I think we're even Ramatomoniangi.
Ask you, Simara, sorry.
I'm sorry. Please don't leave me unopened again.
Ooh.
This is definitely me.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No, the ones that sorry. Let me say, and I try to imagine how this conversation gonna flow like afterwards. Mara, hey.
Anyways,
my best friend thinks you're cute. You know this way. Okay.
Can I thank you, Nipira? You're such a bad person.
No, thank you, guys. Can we be besties? With me, I have enough friends, guys. So, where's besties?
Besties west, guys. Not at this age.
West. Yo. And then...
Not that less.
You guys must not put on filters. No, you must not put on filters, guys, in your podcast. Sometimes you hold back, guys. Okay, so figure with the bangash parura. Don't lie. Call a spade a spade. Like sort of like
wait, repeat that thing.
Like filter.
Read the entire thing.
You guys must not put on filters, guys, in your podcast. Sometimes you guys hold back.
Oh, okay. Sometimes we are all black, like
no,
like
please,
filter.
You guys hold back. Yeah.
Oh, Mara, at the end of the day,
Jere
we are in. So, so regards to the Radwama Vandal, and also at the same time, people need to understand that because we are here conversating, we're not trying to. We're not here to fight people.
Yeah.
So ringa diri sezolo zwi ramba zwa royal sa ya Marshall rambo ri bokhakha guy but we complimented the stage.
Exactly.
We are not here utsitsa dzingwe business, we
And
are
hate
also
on people.
and hate on people. So
True.
just because mni awana uri we muthu onwala opfa limwe ḓuvha ro sugar khota mafhungo a muthu ane naye wa muvenga.
Yeah.
The same way in that I didn't like how Makati said this, but Makati is still a goat. So we are not here to fight people. So yeah, we're not gonna be mean and stuff.
Can you set me up with a friend, please? Not only friends that can.
Mara risa divini uri ndi nyi.
Exactly.
Singwe question.
Ni comment kadzi ka comment section. If you feel like you can still, you get what I mean. And then this podcast imborera already this about to nozola Thando or surrounding areas page even 80% is your friends. It can grow and vege ine na van sako podcast ani rivudzi rito umrere at least inform us. But your interview skills and topic 100% good improve cause this about to Venda, not your friend. Yeah, so to answer that, guys, see, in as much as I think Ronambanga Mudau, Ori, it's not us bringing our friends or what, but then who do I have access to at the moment to start? When I point in I think Wafa also raised this other day, Ori. This thing is growing and you're not gonna be able to interview all the people you know only. I mean and all that. So it just is there to the whole thing, Ori. But about the whole which now I'm even trying to get access to people and I don't even know them. I'm going to LinkedIn, Twitter, emails, I'm sending each and every day. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do that. But then thanks for the compliment also.
So mara arenabe okay, ndandi kunyongori vanga suggest vatu ndofunda umrori nani ndono deriwa lunji ti kadzi DM muthu achiri no ndina nyinyi wa baka keke uri ko umbelori ade, and I'm like we are trying to get people to inspire people, right? Ngangi kaila ya the hustlers and whatever. But then now, Nabiyo Nibani Kuba unfair if you want to use us as marketing. Exactly. Because imagine if we were to get everyone on a baka cake, how many people can bake? Do you understand what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's okay. I read an example you're big. But I'm just saying, Uri, he wants us to work together. Collaboration, but some guys, you need to bring something else to the table. Do you understand what I'm saying? So no, because I'm not at the skip. In so it's not a collab, you're trying to use us. Guys, so if you want advertisements, you pay. Simple.
Let me say this now.
You can give me a shirt. Yeah. I can't do that.
Yeah. So and then and then I feel if he's still single, if he's still come if he's still single.
That's a friend of the show.
That's a friend of the show. And then yeah, like I mean, date the snap Sundays is over. Aunantini na the rena bewe nange apapa pipi. So people want us yeah now
I'm buena papi. You know about the papi.
I invited Black Couch and then Nerdoda.
Mara hangi zibazi weird do shoot izana. Like do you want us to shoot?
Like before the whole thing.
Or a shooter or a shooter snap. Oh, a recorder snap.
You can just like pop up.
Oh, I never come but also go Jenna, we can definitely go.
Yeah. I would want to go actually also. And then yeah. We love the Black Couch Diaries. Thank you.
We love you more.
For the cost. They have to change. And then the new studio set, we have to get used to it. Habe raro doera ngi mdino coffee. Yeah, ngazidio doera na unera ko sa studio cha ukuma.
Ndiko doera no doera.
Ngazidio doera.
Oka doambelani.
Za ukuma, ariko fika kanana. Ayo hako kanana. Oh, yeah, I would that. So can you please have a match between Paperico and Fistos? Okay, guys.
A match?
Like our ball, sort of. Why is Rico Uzarine? Okay. Any businessmen around you planning on interviewing? Obviously, I'm trying to get that guy, and also a lot of people.
Okay. I also have some in mind, but yeah.
Yeah. And then when I planning to host your first branch and where 10K branch code.
And they're doing it Venda because I feel like that's where our people are.
We reach 10K, we'll go to a branch. And yes. They will give you the date then. So
imagine in the next 2 weeks.
Hey,
Richard 10K is no December.
Yeah,
pressure.
No, Mararenga.
Yeah, we can.
Mararenga eat up Gati.
So we can do it
on a Wednesday, random Wednesday.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Speaking of that, Ninkumbutindia being a sip and paints.
Oh yeah. Flowers to the team. Thank you. With the DJ Kodari, I'm talking to him. You know, it's fine how but when I'm like they are we get on contact. Now like we see our things like okay. I see what you're doing there. So yeah, that's it. And then wait, nothing ndopiraing. We feel like rings all that in nine kana ndibona mrava.
Uringisa. Uringisa.
Tamboka mpo.
Guys, mpo otosala tangori atende na mpo wapano.
No,
I am
guys,
ready.
Abantu ababe clear urukwambo mpompiyo.
Ufi uringisa ene waringisa.
Jiga bin.
Ukabindu ene umtengo ni.
Yeah, guys, she's gonna come wrong.
Also arengisi guys, it's allegedly.
I've given it a thought, see? But I need to get my facts straight.
Can't we get her as friend of the show at least?
No.
Okay. You want her as a guest? Okay.
Friend of the show? Hey. Mara, she'll come as a guest. We'll see actually. Mara, there's still some things we're going to Mara to
studio. The tattoo studio.
Okay.
Remember the intro ita. One day ita kama jingi. Abe ukudio provanga mpo.
Mpo, come on.
No.
Unatoleta hapa.
Hey, guys. Mpo na fortuna na. Zabukuma. People. Okay, I don't know. Do you want to answer? Do you have fortuna?
No, atina fortuna.
Okay, understand.
Ndiaita muba nayo mara.
Hey, no like, ways. No one fortuna. Nangazila zama quads ya kurugam like mpoke chichiko na kepi. That's what came to
my mind. Camping kit nganta.
Yeah, and then everyone of you should rate their relationship at least at a scale of 10, starting from Mr. Manager. Owner manager. Okay, we'll come with Mr. Producer. I've told the host. Rate your relationship out of 10.
10.
11.
12. Okay, I'll give it a 10 also.
Guys, reasirichonona man.
I hate such questions. Hey.
Reasirichonona.
No one wrote the rotakala. I will not believe around. This is proof.
I'm just making sure. You go rate I feel.
Dinangana.
I don't David.
Kuzompengela ini. Dinangana onpengelo you.
Okay, this is not a question. Wewe ni mpora ore ani episode dona duba bere ne bamwe na depression ngana yezobo auna zwimwe bo biggest podcast in Venda ari my love. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Every day
we're planning you thought the episode weekly.
No, I want to talk about weekly.
Anyway, depression every day. Ono zama zwo zwithu. Oyo depression kasame zwino.
Ono zama chipiriti nyanga.
Uzipiriti man.
Ofi tageto dance yawewe ndiba Venda pedzini. And why? Okay, each time it was me trying to uplift what about Venda or Rwanda junior quite because we see a lot of people who never go shoot out there, but then hardly see Venda. So I was like, you know what, let's do something for Venda. But then a lot of people have come to me and said, no, this thing is growing. Also try out or expand us, and I've been giving it a thought. So I feel like we can even start Rabatubaya and Valimpopo, Boma, Kokwani, so and then eventually we'll grow. Never know.
Yeah, but then we can't say target issue about Venda because we don't just speak about Venda people. We talk about everything that's trending nationally. So we can't necessarily say roto target about Venda. Yeah. But yeah, raroto manepo because and then if we look at it like exactly. We had to start at home. So
okay, and then flowers, so many flowers. Have the best pot in Venda. Keep on giving us good ones. Yay. And then why exes? I have so many exes. I wouldn't want to answer. Who are your exes?
Ane. Nane ndinabanji nyana. Odumao. Mwana mwaka mbodumao.
Una hii ndame kipindura. In closing ti. I am ated auri. Bafuna ni basio kambingano. Basina na mwana bote. Na one bachiriwa batewiri wa mzimu. Badzura bote. Wewe ni rimini ngao. Boom. I think it's true. I'm not sure. Maybe. I think it was the first episode, if not the second. So, so it's my view. As long as you guys know what you're doing in there, just do what you feel is best for you guys. Cheers. I'm out of here, guys. If you go for I don't know kakachitu. Okay, cause
opangana kereke. Nipengina kereke. Nipengina mu Christ. Opanga mu Christ.
Christianity doesn't say anything about you guys. Nsa kozura apartment in
because also sex before marriage ya.
As long as you guys know what you're doing in there. Cause I mean,
ningadhivanisa farani
ningadhizira separate dhivana dhivanikwa nichidhara wapamane mina kweti
Ar conclude ke lopungo. You guys are saying it's fine as long as
you still following
zvine bukreste akwamba zvona.
That's what I said in that 5 seconds that I said here.
Okay.
In closing, okay, arichamba namba.
Ivale mfana.
No, ndikambobona boro hey.
Chila staka chacho kopeka. Lo chiparisa ko dada, pa skoda.
No, never pitch Venda man. Dinner bad.
Skoda.
I'm kidding guys. So coming to you live from
chamba.
Blueprint Studio. Number 4. That's the matumbo. Currently go so that you check a foot. So yeah, we're out of here. Cheers.